Hey guys, welcome to another toy rack review, and today we've got another Dr. Stephen Strange. Let's open him up and check him out. Hey, you can see me. Check him out. Only thing I could say about this figure is that he is amazing. Dr. Strange is a work of art, seriously. Look at his patented porn stash and condescending, kind of like The Rock eyebrow. Wonder why I won't focus. There you go. Well, Sculpt, I think it's a new head sculpt. New arms for sure, because it's a kind of a loose shirt. Leg seems new as well because of the cut. The thighs are cut. I'm not sure if any other figure had this. But he's not exactly a perfect figure. The plastic in the legs seems very cheap, like Divisoria cheap. See? It looks like those Chinese knockoff toys. You aren't a Chinese knockoff, are you? No. But other than that, looks amazing, the figure. Just don't feel his legs. What else about the sculpt can I talk about? The cape. Pretty standard for a cape. Except for the amazingly finely detailed edges of the cape. I don't know what you call that. What do you call this? The decoration on a piece of clothing. Whatever that is. That is very nice. Especially the Eye of Agamotto. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Eye of Agamotto, right? Looks great too. Very finely detailed. It's amazing. Alright, for articulation. Now this guy, he just doesn't look good. He moves very well. So the head does a little bit of up and down and left and right, because I think it's a ball joint. Chest. No waist, I think. Oh wait, he does have waist articulation. He does. Holy crap, he does. This guy's has better articulation than Spider-Man. We've got the standard shoulder, and then the bicep roll, hinge elbow, swiveling wrist, and here's something very interesting. Massively interesting. He can actually throw the horns, baby. The downside to having very small wrist swivel, upward swivel, is that the paint kind of chips off. See, it reveals the blue paint underneath. So that kind of sucks. That's a point against Dr. Strange, but that's fine. So at least now he can rock out with his cock out. Nicely painted shirt. For the legs, he can fully extend his foot forward, leg forward, as if he were to kick someone. And then the thighs are cut, which is pretty cool. Double jointed knee, and what do you call it? It's a rocker, an ankle rocker. I can't see it. Oh yeah, it does. Also a hinge. Holy fuck. Damn. Paint. Okay, besides the chipping paint on his wrist, everything seems painted perfectly. Even his shit-eating mustache. And the elaborate decorations on his cape and his shirt. And his kind of spotty gloves that again reveal the blue paint underneath, which kind of blows. That's fine. So the paint, clean, looks very nice, but yeah, it chips. If you find this figure, go right ahead and buy it. You won't go wrong. This is probably the best figure in the wave. No, this is the best figure in the wave. Pick Doctor Strange.